Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. Today I have a massive project share. I joined ScrapDiva Design Secret Santa YouTube hop, and so this is going to be showing what I made. I will have a video, I'm pretty sure, of when I received my swap. But these were just a few of the new dies that I used. I used the bakery gingerbread house. I used the small bag bow topper. I use a banner set, the poinsettias, and I don't know which other ones. I have a list, which I will go down at the end and talk about, or not talk about, I'll list them in the description box. So our goal was to make any project slash embellishment using as many or any ScrapDiva Design dies. Also, it must fit in one of the jelly totes or a gift bag slash box die set. A handmade Christmas card, a $15 store-bought gift, as well as a treat snack. So my person, which by the time you guys will see this, you'll know it was Lilian, and a few of her things that I picked from her list because I couldn't, or in my brain, in the time crunch that I had to do this, I don't think I could figure out how to pull some of the stuff that she liked other than a few things. So she liked Pink Fresh collections, chocolate, which was, and Snickers. And then, what was the other thing I picked from there? Oh, her colors. She liked the glittery pink, gold, mint, white colors. I think yellow too. I didn't write it down. And I also went with a nutcracker theme. So I went and decided to use this box that I created during the summer. I just had it made. I had all the intention to create something with it for Christmas, and time got away from me, but I was able to now use it. So Lillian's going to get this, and I hope she likes it. It's in the colors kind of that she liked, mint and pink. So I think this is kind of mint, a little more aqua, I think, but I did add a few extra things to it from where it was. I didn't add too much, and I can't fit a lot, but you know, I'm doing as much. I'm sending her these Christmas cards that I've been crafting with. She asked me where I got them from, so I thought I'm sending her 2 of them that she can fussy cut herself, and I'm just going to put them in there. I am adding these gift tags embellishments that I created using my Mind's Eye. I think it's my Mind's Eye who I got it from. I know I picked them up at Home Goods, and then I made the paper rosettes. Those are the Christmas rosettes from ScrapDiva Designs, as well as the poinsettias. And then I fussy cut the nutcrackers, as you can see, as well as punch some scallop circle and a snowflake. And then I made her flowers in the colors kind of to match the paper collection. The paper collections that I have, oh gosh, were just, I don't even know where I got them from, but they were in my stash, so I matched them. But some of them are red and green, so it's kind of hard to, you know, create. But I did make the flowers super bougie. I added some of the mica flakes from Tim Holtz on them. So pretty, that stuff. And then I just made a fun quick little paper bag topper because I glued them down. And then here's her Christmas card. I did make it a shaker card, and I used this fun stamp that I have in my stash. And then I used Erica's small flowers. She's all sold out, I believe, of that set. I think it was from like a year ago, but it's so perfect. It fits so nicely on there, and I'm able to, you know, you can see the background with the stamping that I did, and the sequence doesn't get covered up. So I like that. So that's what's going in this box, as well as these tags here. I took the wavy tag set that Erica has in her shop. I think it's still available, I think. And I made these cool Christmas nutcracker tags. And I used this fun gift tag that I found this year at Marshall's. They were from, I think, Nicole Miller. I might have shown them in another video. But aren't those so cute? And then these are snowflakes from one of her tag set. I think it was called the Snowflake Tag Set is what the name is. And then these are bows and little stickers from the Joann's tag kit. So pretty. I try to keep them all in the pinks and green tone colors. So that's all going to go in here like this. I'm going to smush them in there. And I'm going to send that. Then I created a embellishment set. I haven't closed it up. Oh my gosh, I love this, you guys. Look at this. I pulled out the Christmas words from this year, and then I used some of her smaller poinsettia flower die set that she has. I think this one's still available. And I just made embellishments, but this is the swap bag envelope die set. And I made cute little embellishments using the banner set that just came out. And then I also made these little mini paper clip embellishments because I wanted to use the stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then I saw, I think it was Mike Hay, I think it was her that made a cute little paper clip embellishment by folding the bow, the snowflake bow. And so I folded it, but added it to a little paper clip embellishment kind of, and just added a snowflake with the little button. So cute, you guys. Oh, and then I decorated this by adding this fun nutcracker tag that I got last year at Home Goods, and it matched this paper. This paper is from Michael's. No, this is a new one from Joann's. One of the sheets is so pretty, and it matched. And then I fussy cut out some ornaments and added some cute little greenery. And then I kept the back simple. And you can see the hole from the tag there. Okay. And that's going to go separate. Okay, before I ruin it, let me just put that there. And then this, I made her a cute little box. So I like to buy a bunch of random crap. And one of the things I buy are these cute little containers for treats. And I put stuff in there. So I'm sending her this nutcracker one, and I filled up the little container, and I'm going to wrap it with some cellophane wrap, or maybe I'll put it in a gift bag because I can't find my cellophane roll. I might have finished it. Anyways, I created this cute little house. This is the Bakery House die set, and I used the gift cards from gift tags that I found last year at Marshall's. But what I did was I colored them in with my alcohol marker that I have to match the paper, which I thought worked so perfectly. And you wouldn't be able to tell. I don't think you can tell that they're colored in. I love that. I had little cheeks, color to the cheeks. How cute is that? How cool was that? They were just white and red, and I just added the color. I used the banner set here. Here's another one of the small little flowers. I used the bow. This is a bow that came with the tag set from Joann's, the die cuts with the view. I just cut it down and folded it. And this door is actually a tag set that I picked up this year. It came with like 4 different designs, and I thought it'd be perfect to put it on the little house. How cute is that? And then I added, of course, some ruffle trim. And on the inside, we've got treats. She likes Snickers, and then I got her some chocolates, and I just covered them and made a cute little tag for Christmas. Let me just, in the back side, I just put this big number cut out. And this is a Pink Fresh design. I did do a cute little gift here. I've had these forever. They're, I'm pretty sure I picked this up at like Marshall's last year or the year before. And when you open it up, I actually taped it up. Oh man, I'm going to have to cut that. There you go. I put a cute little shaker. Oh my gosh, a charm dangle that I made for her in the color she likes. How cute is that? And I've had these wooden nutcrackers. They're tags that or maybe they were ornaments, but I picked them up at Walmart last year, and I've had them hoarded and stashed. So I thought they were perfect. She said she likes pink and glittery. So I did do beads that match that. And then I'm gifting her this fun little set that I found at Joann's. So cute. A bunch of little charms, because I know she likes to make charm dangles too. And then I'm just gonna close that up. Okay, and here I made her this cute little set of more embellishments, and they're actually pretty cool. These are really neat. What I did was I took the is it the Nutcracker? I think this is just the Nutcracker die set. And what I did was I cut out this flower that I have in my stash, and I made these embellishments. I made these last year with some jukebox music tags, but I decided to use the banner set, and then I fussy cut out these ornaments from the paper collection, which I absolutely love how they turned out. And the colors are kind of all over the place. Some of them have like yellow and blue, and some of it have like the pretty mint color. So I just kind of played around, but I don't think she'll mind because it's pink fresh and she likes pink fresh, as you can see. So that's going to go in there. And then of course I did make a bow bag topper for that there, and I added this flower. This one actually comes from Happy Crafter Shop. Lisa, I think I ordered it from her when I nabbed a set before she sold out. So cute. And then in here I just have another gift. It's a little lotion and body spray from Bed Bath & Beyond, or oh my gosh, that place closed, Bath & Body Works. But I don't know if I shared it, I can't remember, but I took a napkin from, oh gosh, where did I get it? Home Goods, I believe. And it had the Nutcracker theme. It's My Mind's Eye is the brand. And I didn't Mod Podge. I used a matte medium, collage medium onto a watercolor paper. And then I cut it out with the die set. And then here, this is a Christmas card that I got this year at Marshall's. And I cut them up and I made it a cute little tag. And I just sent, a little note in the background for her. So cute. And I added this fun ribbon, just kind of kept it in the green colors, but this is the paper collection. Just so cute. I thought it matched with the green and the gold. And this is what the napkin cut out. I'm gonna make something with this and put it in her in the bag or in the box, so that when she opens it, this is there. So I really like the way that looks. And this is my swap, you guys. I will list all the dies that I used in the description box. Definitely you want to take a look to see at her response when she opens it. And I'm thinking you guys should be able to see that on the 24th, but I'm probably going to share this after the fact. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it left you inspired, and definitely check out ScrapDivaDesigns.com. Check out the hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration. And thank you guys so much for following along. We appreciate it so much, and I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, and that in the new year coming, you are filled with health and lots of crafty time. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you all being here. Bye.